All right, lesson 18. Add your titles, description, thumbnail, supporting docs, links, etc. Okay, we kind of touched on this moments ago, but we'll go a little deeper now and show you what you can do and how to do it. So, like we said, first we'll go to YouTube. Here's the intro we just did. Edit, draft. Easy title. So I'm not gonna call it intro. Let's call it how to build your first online course in okay. Cool. That's our title. Now, I uploaded a pretty ghetto default description, but I also have, I think, a Word document that has all my stuff on here. This isn't what I usually post, but it doesn't matter. Like we said, add a description that's relevant. You can include links. You can include your socials. You can include the link to your next product. You can include a link to your website. Maybe a link. Maybe you just make a course and you offer affiliate products. Links to those as well. Put it right in your description. Okay, boom. You have your thumbnail. You have your keywords. Go through all this. Like I said, I'm not going to insult your intelligence. Pretty easy. Here's your preloaded tags. You can literally ask ChatGPT, vidIQ, what tags are relevant. Search them, like we did earlier using vidIQ. Say what is highly searched but low competition volume, and then you wedge that hole. Okay. Language English, if it is. If not, put your language. All right. Nothing. Ready to go. Hit next. Subtitles, usually that clicks. I'll just hit add and then back out. Automatically links for me there. End screen. I've just been doing this one. Add an end screen at the end. There's my boy Bateman. So they can subscribe and watch a related video. We'll save. Okay, looking good. Add subtitles. Now, and listen, I'll go back into the description later. I'm just going to show you how to do this. Completely up. Ready to go. Boom, boom, boom. Video elements. What I'll also do is put this in a playlist called How to Build Your First Online Course. But aside from that, we're good to go. Next. Copyright checks. Good to go. Check. Cool. Boom, boom, boom. Public. And publish. Cool. We're up. So you can go watch that video. You watch it here live. Now I'll add the appropriate links. I'll go back and adjust it. We can always adjust the thumbnail like we said. But that is up and running. So now, same thing. We'll go with iFocusHQ. Lesson 1. Boom. All right. So these are up. Here's what I recommend. Sure, you can just make a course and maybe give them access to the course or give them access via email or drip it over. But I think one of the most efficient ways to do this is do it through communities, because you can also leverage the community as well as the course, even if it's paid. You can do a paid community and keep updating your courses. You can do a free community with a paid course behind the paywall. You could do a free teaser with paid courses after it. A lot of options. But what I'll show you very quickly here is I'll put this up and live and I'll edit it as we go. So I'm going to go to our communities. Accelerator will minimize for now. We just have our free group and pay group. Anyone that has access to iFocus Entrepreneurs. And then iFocusHQ is for those who are using the software. So I'll put this in iFocus Entrepreneurs. Anyone can go and watch this course and learn how to make a course for free. Okay? go into your course, go under learning, go to add course, which course you want to add, how to build your first course in less than 24 hours. Cool. All members have access. Subscription, recurring? No. We want to make this free. All members have access to this free course. Yep. Add free course. Complete. All right. Now I can go back in and edit this. We'll put a thumbnail for the course itself. And then we can go in, take the course, track our progress, and go from there. And that is up and live. And oh, by the way, you can customize this if you want.
All right. Welcome to iFocus Labs.
Inception. All right. Cool. So, description, titles, links, thumbnails. Your videos are live. Great work. Great work. I'll see you in the next lesson.